Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add pictures in Microsoft Excel sheet of mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my document in my Microsoft Excel and I'm going to add picture to this document. If we want to add picture, we have to go to the insert menu. We can click on this arrow first and then we can go to this section. Okay, and there will be some options and click on insert. And since we want to add pictures, we can select pictures. And here you can either choose photos or camera. And I'm going to go to the photos. I'm going to add picture from my gallery. I'm just going to add this picture. Okay, click on the arrow. And then before you add the image or the picture to your document, you can edit it. You can add filter, crop, or you can also access more option. Okay, and I'm just going to click on done. All right, and you can reposition the picture in the way that you want. Like this, I'm just going to make it smaller so it can matches my cell or my table. Okay, just customize it as you want guys. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to add pictures in Microsoft Excel sheet of mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.